Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hello everybody. My name is Draego, and welcome to a new video. So in this video, I am going to show you the correct way of how to make a bootable pen drive into a normal pen drive. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then give a like, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon near the subscribe button, and also comment that you guys liked this video, or not. Let's begin. So for this I am going to use command prompt. Here are all the command lists that I will gonna use in this video. First open command prompt, and type disk part, and press enter, and then click yes. Then the second command you wanna type is list disk, and press enter. Then select your pen drive by typing select disk 1, or whichever your disk number is, and press enter. After that, to clean your pen drive, type clean, and press enter. After that, type create partition primary, and press enter. And after that, type format fs equals FAT32 quick. And after the format, just like that your pen drive becomes a normal pen drive. After that, type exit. And that is it. Well, I hope that this video helped you guys. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Also check out my other YouTube channel, which is Draego. I post gaming videos over there. And I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And goodbye.